Hi everyone, Deb here. It's been a busy week, but I'm here. And yesterday I received my bargain bead box for the month of November 2022. I just taken it out of the bag and laid just everything in a pile. It came in this beautiful green organza bag, and it is called Holiday Cheer. So as the holiday season approaches, we've blended classic green, red, and gold tones for a celebratory collection packed with gemstones and crystals. Yay! Highlights include a hand-wrapped quartz pendant, green quartz round beads, gold accented dolomite, which I think looks sort of like a jasper, but I'm not sure. We'll find out, and faceted quartz rondelles, along with festive crystals and handmade Cloisonne. I don't know if that's how you say it. Cloisonne, maybe? Yeah, probably Cloisonne rounds, which is like a painted enameled metal kind of thing. I think that's right anyway. And they're very lightweight and usually very beautiful. Gold finished brass and stainless steel findings complete this set. Interesting. So, as always, there's a coupon which I've hidden. And also, if you subscribe to the Bargain Bead Box, you can post what you make on their Facebook page by a certain time and be eligible to win a $50 gift certificate. Wow, I think that's gone up. Seems like it used to be $25. Maybe they're doing that for the holidays. I don't know. Warning, the package does contain small parts which present a choking hazard. Please keep all items out of children. I don't remember seeing that on there, but that's very important. Also, if you are interested in trying out the Bargain Bead Box, it's a monthly subscription. I'm going to just say roughly $20 a month, free shipping in the US. And it's actually slightly under 20, I think, but not by a whole lot. Anyway, I will have a link down below. If you could use that to sign up, that would be great. I need one more person to sign up and I'll get a free box. And then also there's a coupon code Dahlia2. It'll be down below, and you can use that if it's the first time you've ever gotten a box. Okay. Alrighty, so here is the identification key, and what I'm going to do is take everything out of the bags and then I will be right back. Okay everyone, we have some interesting pieces this time, I will have to say, and I'll go through all of them with you. Starting with number one, we have some green quartz 8mm round beads. I'm sure they're dyed. There's an asterisk, indicates permanently dyed gemstone item. Yes. So that is that one. And it's a 15-inch approximately strand, so you get quite a good number of them on there. And then we have some 30 pieces of gold finished steel filigree bead caps. I left one in the bag, it looks like. Nope, he's there. And they look like this. There we go. Okay. They're, what size are they? 7.5mm. They look a little bigger than that, but I think they'll work perfectly on the 8mm beads here. So, yep, I'm very happy about that. And then approximately 13-inch strand 4mm crystal bicone beads in coral red. These are an opaque, I would actually call it more of a cranberry red as opposed to coral, but yeah, just my opinion, but I'm okay with that because I like the cranberry red color for the holidays for sure. Very pretty. And then this is really interesting. Approximately 8.5 inch, because there's two of them, adjustable nylon, well there's two both in this one slidey thing, adjustable nylon slide bracelet cord, red and gold. I have never seen this before, and one end here and one end here have loops on them, and then these are the solid ends. So I will have to give this some thought because I have, like I said, never seen this. It's interesting though that the closed ends are on opposite ends. So I guess they're the ones you're supposed to pull, and then, but I don't know. I will have to play around with that. I've never used something like that before. I mean, like silver silk, but never with this slidey thing on already. So I might have to play around with that a little bit. Number 5, 2 pieces, 32 by 26 millimeter, gold finished brass, textured diamond pendants. They are like almost like a fan diamond. Can you see that they go in? Which makes them look sort of like wings, actually. And they're calling them pendants. They're very lightweight. They could be used as larger earrings. I don't know that I'll do that. I'll tell you, I just came off a craft fair, and what seems to be selling for me is not big and bulky, more small and dainty. But some gemstones, like up to about 8 millimeter. The bulky stuff isn't going so well in craft fairs anyway. So anyway, that's just my take right now. Okay, number 6, which I did the little underline thingy on. 2 sets, 18.5 by 13 millimeter stainless steel hypoallergenic toggle clasp in gold. And yeah, just basic toggle clasp, but stainless steel hypoallergenic, so that's good. Now these took me by surprise. These are 4 by 3 millimeter faceted multicolor quartz rondelles. They almost look like sapphire, like ruby sapphire. There's yellow sapphires and green, but they're quartz. But aren't they gorgeous? They're so pretty and sparkly, and they're a nice size. They're not too little and they're not too big. I have some ideas for those already. And then here are the Cloisonne number 8, 5 pieces, 10 millimeter, handmade Cloisonne enamel and brass floral round beads. So they're red with white flowers and green leaves on either side of them, and then the holes are like that. They could even maybe fit a 1 millimeter cord through them, but probably more like a 0.8 millimeter, something like that. Really pretty. I like them, and they're lightweight, so really nice. And then I've been loving these barrel beads lately. These are they're 10 millimeter faceted barrel beads, coral red AB. Here's the thing, I kind of wish they didn't have the AB on them, because to me, and it's just me, I mean, I like the sparkle, but on these opaque beads especially, it almost looks like a yellowish tint in some light, and I don't like that. But I think it's appropriate to have drum shaped beads for the holidays, you know, like if you're Christian, Little Drummer Boy, you know, holiday music. I have some aluminum drums, and I use them a lot for earrings. Now these have a little more weight than that, but they'd be really pretty in earrings or necklaces. Anyway, just my opinion. I could do without the AB sometimes, but it's okay. I'll use them. There's only 5 of them. And then we have approximately 11-inch strand, 6 millimeter crystal cube beads in green shimmer. Now this, I really like the coating, the shimmer coating, because it just adds a ton of sparkle, and I think these are gorgeous. Gorgeous, and they're cubes. I love them. And they're pretty lightweight, and you get a ton of them because they're an 11-inch strand. Beautiful. And they will go nicely with these. Now I've had these in a different color, I think. Let me see what they call them. Yes, I've actually had these, but not from bargain bead box. I've had them from an overseas company beginning with a B and a B and a C. Anyway, 10-piece strand, 10mm mountain quote-unquote jade Dolomite rounds, green/gold. I think I've had these in like a sky blue with the gold. Gorgeous. And in fact, I just sold a pair of earrings like that at my craft fair. So anyway, gorgeous for the holidays or anytime, really. And then number 12 is one piece, 19 by 12.5mm, golden brass snowflake link with cubic zirconia accents. This is beautiful. It's not got the cubic zirconia on the back, obviously, but look how sparkly and gorgeous it is. You only get one, and you can use it like a little pendant with some dangles, which is probably what I'm going to do, or you could use it as a link in a bracelet, like with this, if I figure out how to do it. I don't know if I'll do that. I'm thinking I'll probably use it as a pendant. I don't know yet. I change my mind as I go once I start playing with everything. Then we have 10-piece strand, 9mm faceted diagonal cube to give us some different texture. Crystal beads in red. They're a transparent red. They're really pretty. The cut gives them a lot of sparkle also. And they're a nice size. What did they say? 9mm. Yeah. Diagonal cube. Interesting. It's an interesting cut. I can't describe it, actually. And these I'm not going to take out of the bag because I will have them everywhere. They are 40 pieces of 4 by 3.5mm gold finished solid brass spacer beads. They do have some weight to them. The solid brass makes them weighty, but they're not hollow. That's number 14, and you get 40. And then, honestly, this is probably my least favorite in the whole box, but it's okay. I'll use it. But it is 7.5-inch strand, 8 by 6mm crystal faceted rondelle beads in red/gold. It looks more like red/bronze to me, which is why I'm saying that. I just, yeah, it's not my favorite. I like the shape and I like the sparkle, but I'm being honest with you. I just don't like that particular coating on it. It doesn't look, it sort of looks like gold in some light, but it looks more bronze to my eye. And the red is a bright cherry red, where some of these are more like your cranberry red. Everything else in here, so they don't really go with the other reds, except maybe this bracelet thing I had to figure out how to use. Okay, number 16 is 39 by 25mm quartz and 18-karat gold plated. Wow, 18-karat gold plated copper wrapped donut. So basically gold plated wrapped copper, and it's different. When I first pulled it out, I thought, oh, they did like a half pendant, but it's, you could either go like this and have links going out this way, or you could go like this and have it be one-sided, or you could go like this and have it at the bottom. It's a really nice piece. I was not what I was expecting when I read wire wrapped piece on the other sheet, the other side of the sheet. I do really like this, and this is a permanently dyed gemstone item. I'm guessing that it is also green quartz like these, because it's the same color, which is nice that is. And then the last piece is 40mm enamel geometric medallion pendant in red/gold. This is really different. It's very thin, like wafer thin almost. I have never seen anything like this, and it does have a hole. Somewhere I saw a hole. Yeah, right here. Up here, this is the top. Although you can barely see it. It's a thin hole, big enough to put a jump ring through. So it's a very thin piece of some kind of metal. Enamel geometric medallion. Pendant, red and gold. I'm thinking this is brass. Because it looks sort of brass-like. And then they enameled in all this intricate areas of this pendant. I don't think I'll use this standalone. I think I'll do something else with it, but it's different. I've never seen that kind of thinner pendant piece like that. I really like it, actually. That's a me kind of thing. It's a little, you know, bigger, but I really like that. So overall, I love the box. Like I said, this is my least favorite. Everything else I really think is beautiful and or unique, and I like unique because it challenges your creativity, or sparks your creativity, perhaps is a better way to say it. I'm a little baffled right at the start on what I'm going to do with this. What did they call this? Bracelet? Adjustable nylon slide bracelet cord. I just am not understanding why the closed ends are on opposite sides. Because maybe this is how you do it. No, the other way around. This is how you could do it. And then just have a bead or something in here. I don't know. And then you can pull it to tighten. That's how I think you do it. Okay, I figured it out. So you can have like a wired bead piece here, or strung bead piece, or a Snowflake Link, or whatever. And then instead of having a clasp, to tighten or loosen the bracelet, you pull these two ends. I got it. I figured it out, guys. Hope that helps any of you who have the box know what to do. And maybe I'm just the slow one. I don't know. Yeah, that's pretty cool, actually. I kind of like that. I've never seen them like that. So anyway, I really enjoyed the box. I hope you did too. I'm more of a silver person, but with the reds and greens for the holidays, I do like gold with them too. And so do other people. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will hopefully be back in the next week or two with some pieces to share. I still owe last month's box pieces, so maybe I'll pull them out and do them together, or you know, I have a kit from another company that's also holiday related. Maybe I'll merge them. I don't know yet. I might not, because I have some ideas already for what I have in front of me here, separate from that. All right, thank you again for watching. I hope you have a great November. I hope you voted today if you're in the United States and are eligible to vote, and take advantage of our right in the United States to vote. I always find it difficult. I won't go into that, but I did go do my duty this morning. So anyway, as on November 8th, 2022. All right, guys. Thank you again. Hugs, love, and peace. Take care. Bye.